guys, look at this. This is a blizzard of 2026. We are getting a lot of snow. This is in front of my house. And look at this. It's still, the snow still falling down. Oh my God, I don't even know if I can go to work tonight. Look at this. This is the drive, this is the walkway. And I cannot even get out of here. I don't even know how am I gonna get out of here, honestly, guys. I don't think I'm gonna be able to go to work today. That is horrible. Look at this. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. God, I see some cars running on the street, driving by on the street on the main road, but I don't know. There's a lot of snow. Look at this. I can't even get out of my walkway here. I cannot get out, go to the street because look at the snow. This is horrible. I can see a person walking by over there. Along the main road over there, guys, but I can't even get out of here. ทุกคนตอนนี้นะคะ สามีก็กำลังตักสโนว์ออกจากทางรถค่ะทุกคนดูนี่บันไดขึ้นบ้านนะคะทุกคนเนี่ยค่ะมันตันไปหมดเลยค่ะมันออกไม่ได้นะคะนอกจากจะมีเป็นแมชชีนนะคะทุกคนมาตักออกเนาะพอดีที่บ้านมีค่ะแต่ว่ามันไม่ทำงานดูสิตักไม่ได้แน่นอนค่ะทุกคนดูโอ้เยอะมากๆค่ะปีนี้นี่คือปีที่ครั้งนี้คือแรงหนาวหนักสุดค่ะทุกคนblizzard ของรัฐโรดไอแลนด์นะคะก็คือโรดไอแลนด์เนี่ยประกาศ state of emergency เลยนะคุณประกาศให้เป็นภาวะฉุกเฉินเลยนะคะวันนี้แล้วก็น่าจะถึงพรุ่งนี้ด้วยเพราะว่ามันเยอะมากๆค่ะยังตกมาอยู่เลยค่ะยังไม่ไปไหนเลยนะคะเนี่ยดูดิเต็มเลยอ่ะดูลมก็แรงด้วยค่ะทุกคนเนี่ยHello everyone สวัสดีค่ะทุกคนวันนี้นะคะก็หิมะลงเยอะมากๆค่ะเขาเรียกอะไร blizzard คือsnow อะไรนะหิมะตกเยอะมากๆค่ะทุกคนในรอบปีนี้เลยนะคะหนามากๆหิมะหนามากๆแล้วก็ถนนหลายๆสายเนี่ยก็ยังไม่ได้พราวนะคะทุกคน the small roads I don't think any roads have been plowed yet. That's what they call. ก็คือยังไม่ได้กวาดถนนนะทุกคนกวาดหิมะออกอะถนนเล็กๆอะค่ะทีนี้โอ๊ตก็ต้องแต่งตัวไปทำงานนะคะตอนเนี้ยกำลังแต่งตัวไปทำงานค่ะทุกคนไม่รู้จะไปได้ไหมเนี่ยโชคดีที่ว่านะคะทุกคนที่สามีมีรถคันใหญ่นะคะทุกคนแต่ว่าสามีก็บอกว่ากังวลเหมือนกันเพราะว่าไม่รู้ว่าถนนข้างนอกจะเป็นยังไง My husband is concerned about the small roads that we are going to the hospital so we're not sure how the road conditions are right now. So we're gonna try our best to get to the hospital, everyone, because it's pretty bad. It is the biggest snowstorm we ever have for this year. It is in Rhode Island, state of emergency, also travel ban so no one should be out on the street. It is not necessary. So me as a nurse, I have to go into work because they really need me there. I already talked to my manager, so she really need me there. So I'm gonna have to go in. So I wanna go to work anyway because I know that there's gonna be a lot of people couldn't make it. Some parts of Rhode Island have no power, but we are lucky that we have power, and the heat is running. So we'll see, guys, what the road conditions are like outside. So right now I'm getting ready to work. Okay guys, see you outside, okay? Bye bye. Oh my god. Hi everyone. This is outside, ทุกคน I'm walking to my car right now. The snow is everywhere. So as you know, I have to go to work. I'll let you see the road outside here. There's a snow plow here on the main road. Snow right there. This is our driveway. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's a lot. Ooh, careful. It's a lot of snow, everyone. See, we can't even walk over there because the snow covered the walkway. And look at this. There's a lot of snow. Okay, everyone, I'm on the road now. I see 4 people is on the street. So we are going to work to the hospital. This is the road condition. This is outside. I'm gonna let you see the road outside right now. Told you earlier, in Rhode Island it is the state of emergency, right Chris? The state
travel ban.
And also a travel ban take place, so no one should be out on the road here because it's very hard for them to plow the snow. I don't even know if my car would make it, Chris. My car unless you.
No, would not make it on the road because it was it's almost 3 feet deep.
Yeah, it's almost 3 feet deep in our street. Our street is it plowed yet or no?
No, it's not plowed.
It has not been plowed yet.
It was plowed early. It's not been plowed. It's going to be hard for the truck to get out.
You can see the road is crazy. And this is the Bronco that we have here. So it's still like slippery, right, Chris? We have to go slowly. We have to drive slowly, right, Chris?
Yes.
And you'll see a lot of snow plows. What do you call it, Chris?
Snow plows.
Snow plows. We are not gonna get too over because I'm going to work, guys. If we get too over, we'll be all sad because
Yeah, but on the way home,
I am a nurse. Oh yeah, you have to explain yourself. Yeah. All right, we are getting on a highway here. Oh my goodness. This is the highway, guys. Look at this. It's pretty good. Look at that. They did a good job on this.
We'll see when we get to the highway.
But we'll have to see when we get to the main highway. Slow, guys, because the road is pretty rough. It's pretty bad. It's icy, slippery, and the snow fall down on top of the ones that we still have from the previous snowstorm. Everyone, it's crazy. There's nobody on the road here. How do I get out? I go out that way? Yeah, go out that way, the same way, okay?
Okay.
And then you
right.
go. Okay, thank you, Daddy. I love you.
Okay.
Okay, bye, guys.
I'll see you.
Yeah, you'll be fine. Just make sure you have your phone charging, okay? Okay, everyone, I am here. Arrived safely at the hospital, so I'm gonna get into the hospital now. I'll see you when I get out. Okay, bye.